So it is very important for the representative to plays a very important role for the development of country. So on part of people, common people, while casting the vote, it is very important. So the common people, they played a very important role in the election process. Sukumar Sen was the first chief election commissioner of independence India. Underline this. In 1921, after independence. In 1921, Sen was selected for Indian civil services. You know that Britishers, they introduced the civil services. Uh, Under the British rule, he was given the charge of election commissioner after the election commission was established in 1950. So he was elected during British rule. So he got this chance and he was elected as the first election commissioner, Sukumar Sen. Huh. Then Mr. Sen efficiently handled the responsibility of election commission in extremely adverse condition. See, extremely adverse condition means that time nothing was developed. Now we got electronic voting machine. Everything is very developed now. But during that time, you just imagine there was no development, there was no technology. So how he did and how he conducted was very challenging. So, but he uh, uh, did his work very efficiently. So, underline this. Sukumar Sen was the first chief election commissioner after independence. Understood, children? So, electoral process or election commission played a very important role, and it is a very important feature of any democratic country. And also, with the help of state level election commission, it conducted election all over our country very efficiently. So the electoral process is very important part or a very important component of any democratic country. Now we will see that what is the role of president. The president appoints the election commission. You know that we have already studied in your previous class that what is the responsibility and what is the role of president in appointing very important, um, uh, we can say very important people in various sectors. The president appoints the election commission. Apart from electing the chief defense or chief of army, chief of defense, the president is also having that role to choose the election commission. The chief election commissioner cannot be removed from his post early or on account of any political reasons. This is necessary so as to preserve the independence of election commission. There is a separate provision made for expenses of election commission. So you know that during election, so much money is spent on the election process. So it is an independent autonomous body. I told you just now that it is an autonomous independent body. So president appoints the election commission, and no one can removed from his post. So it is very important that because he is there to make provision or expenses of uh, election commission. So it is a order of president that what type of process it should be followed and which is followed by election commission. Now, function of election commission. It is very important, children. Function of election commission. Now, he plays a very important role during election. We know that election commencement announcement of date till result declaration. So the process is very important. So what is the role of election commission and how he is going to conduct election over the country? That is very important work. And the decision or planning itself, it started the moment he is appointed as a election commissioner. First, what he is going to do? First, preparing the voter list. Every Indian citizen who has completed 18 years or age has a right to vote. You know the criteria of giving vote. To exercise the right to vote, citizens' name must be in the voter list. That is very important. You must have noticed in your family when while your parents are having that time when voting is there. So voter list and they are getting their voter ID card. So all the process by now you must have acquainted. It is responsibility of the Election Commission to prepare the list of eligible voters, update the existing voter list and include the names of new voters. The Election Commission has the authority to issue identity cards to the voter. So first, it is very important that voter list, preparation of voter list should be there, and include the new voter list, the new names in the voter list is very important. So it is a duty of election commissioner to prepare voter list.